want to point out that the video that the lady senator presented was obviously opinionated, a propaganda tool, right? It's should be stricken off the record, Madam. Na sowing intrigue. Kasi ako, Madam President, hindi naman ako sang-ayon sa people's charter change. I was the first one in this institution who fought that kind of move with the PI and all of us together. And I'll tell you now, these people here, ladies and gentlemen, in this body are not in favor of any amendments to the Constitution. We just want to bring back the integrity of this same chamber. Cannot we discuss that as a group, as a body? You can see my passion on this. I move to strike the horrible propaganda video off the records of this great institution, Madam President.
Your Honor. Well, this is a way of seconding the motion of Senator Zubiri. First of all, the presentation, or what we call the editorial video that we witnessed, yes. I would like to take exception of my being mentioned there. Parang lumalabas na parang lahat ng narinig nila or nakipag-meeting sa akin ang speaker o kung sino pa, parang pumayag ako. Sana tinanong nila yung source nila, pumayag ba ako? I have never been in favor of charter change. Never. From the day I became a senator up to the present, ang dami namin pinagdaanan dyan. And I second the motion of Senator Zubiri that the editorial video should be stricken off the record because it appears na parang mayroon tayong sinister na plano na kasama kami.
I second the motion to strike that off our records, that video presentation presented earlier, Madam President, because, Madam President, all senators of this chamber, be it the majority, be it the minority, we need respect, or we deserve respect, Madam Chair. I think, so I therefore seconded the motion that that video recording be stricken off the records of the Senate. Thank you, Madam President.
And second, the motion to strike off the record the video, Mr. President. Chamber, the Senate did not entertain charter change under my watch as chairman of the Committee on Constitutional Amendments. For the record, Mr. President, and I support the striking of the record, that it be stricken off the record, Mr. President.
So with that, Madam President, let me second the motion of Senator Miguel Zubiri, invoking Section 93 of our rules, acts, and language which offend a senator or any public institution shall be deemed unparliamentary. Thank you, Mr. President. Thank you.
And I confirm that I witnessed a portion of their conversation. I think present during that discussion, of course, the minority leader, Speaker Boji D, the Deputy Speaker, I think Hernandez, and the former Secretary of the Senate, Dong Mendoza. Nagkamali po ako ng paso kasi I was about to attend a board meeting in the same area. And nakita ako nung tao ni Senator Soto. So napasok ako, sabi ko, oops, mali pala. Ano bang ginagawa niyo rito? So, ang unang tanong sa akin, tama-tama kasi pag-uusapan namin na kung sakali magkaroon ng charter change, baka pwedeng request ng Speaker of the House kung pwedeng increase yung number of senators to 36 from 24. Ang naging role ko naman doon, kasi tama-tama, ilan ba yung kwarto doon sa Senate building? Sabi ko, 65, kasi yun ang request ni Senator Pimentel at that time. He was also thinking of increasing the number of senators. So, 36 lang kailangan. So, after that, and I confirm na probably ako yung sinasabi ni Lito Banayo na source. Because immediately or the following Thursday, we used to have this Thursday eating club attended by Lito Banayo, Gringo Hunasan, and several other personalities. Some former senators, former congressmen, incumbent congressmen, sometimes Governor Rodito Albano would be there, ex-Congressman Suplico, and several others. So with that, I support the motion of the former Senate President, former Majority Leader Mig Zubiri, na to strike off the record yung mga portions na offensive sa mga kapwa natin senador, Mr. Yeah, minus the whole video. I support that motion, Madam President.
I rise to second the motion of Senator Zubiri. Dahil yung video po na nakita ho natin, marami hong pagsisinungaling. So para sabihin po na yung minority, yan ang pinakapaka, yun po'y mali, yun po'y fake news, yun po'y misinformation, and I second the motion of Senator Zubiri to strike this video off the record. Maraming salamat, Mr. Chairman.
I support the motion of Senator Mig Zubiri to strike sa record yung video presentation ni Senator Amy Marcos.
Salamat po, Madam President. Madam President, sinusugundahan ko rin po ang motion ni Senador Mig Zubiri na strike ang video po na iyan sa record nitong sesyon. Ganito na ba kababa ang inaabot ng politika sa Pilipinas? Na hanggang dito sa floor ay magbabatuhan tayo ng putik. Track record ko na mariin na pagtuto sa charter change at gaya ng sinabi ng mga kasama, wala pong pinag-usapang charter change. Muli, Madam President, for the record, sinusugundahan ko po ang motion. Salamat po, Madam President.
That I support the motion of Senator Zubiri that the privileged speech of our colleague be stricken off the records institutions. Sinusigundahan ko rin ang mga pahayag ng akin pong kasamahan kanina, yung pong Constitutional Assembly, Charter Change or People's Initiative, kailanman hindi namin napag-usapan o kailanman hindi napag-usapan ng lahat.